Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Disney. The report was first published on our website Friday, September 2, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Disney? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since August 3, 2022, our system ranks the Disney stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.750. In this period the stock has had a gain of 2%. This is an average return of 0.09% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Disney, our last headline reads, weaker technical forecast for Disney as stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. The Disney stock price fell by -1.18% on the last day, Friday, September 2, 2022, from $112.53 to $111.20. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 2.75% from a day low at $110.84 to a day high of $113.89. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by -7.44% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 754,000 shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 8 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $940.89 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $187.58, and the lowest price was $90.23. Right now the price is 40.72%, or $76.38, below 52-week high and 45.23%, or $91.82, below all-time high March 8, 2021 where the price hit $203.02. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 21.79% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 15.12% and 42.11%. The 12-month trend indicates a -41.89% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -58.52% and -37.05%. This equals a price between $46.13 and $70 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Disney stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Disney stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Disney. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Disney stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $113.33. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $110.90. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 16, 2022, and so far it has fallen -11.01%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 16 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 16 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Disney. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $99.40 and $95.92. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Disney finds support just below today's level at $99.40. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $95.92 and $93.29. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $3.05 between high and low, or 2.75%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.31%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Disney. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Disney currently has a price-earning ratio of 63.54. A high price-to-earnings ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued, or else that investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Disney meets first resistance at $112.43. If you do not hold Disney shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Disney finds first level of support at $99.40, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Disney is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On August 12, 2022, Woodford Brent made an inside sell of 3,000 of stock option, right to buy. On August 12, 2022, Woodford Brent made an inside sell of 3,000 of Disney common stock. On August 12, 2022, Woodford Brent made an inside buy of 3,000 of Disney common stock. On June 30, 2022, Parker Mark G made an inside buy of 9,582 of Disney common stock. On June 30, 2022, Arnold Susan E made an inside buy of 8,203 of Disney common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 26.196. In total, the insiders bought 9,204,560,321 and sold 5,349,164,321 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $105.44, minus 5.18%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. Low RSI 14 is 18, which reduces the risk sum. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 13 days ago. Is Disney stock a buy? Disney holds several negative signals, and this should be a sell candidate, but due to the general chance for a turnaround situation, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Tuesday 6th, we expect Disney to open up 78 cents and start trading at $111.98. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.